Hello, and welcome to this session on how to sync contacts between Salesforce and Exchange. No Outlook plugin required. For this session, we're using Outlook 2007, and we're using Salesforce. Now, this presentation could have been done with Outlook Web Access or Mac Mail or any of the other Exchange clients. When my account was set up, the administrator set it up so that I had a separate contact book. So if I come in here, I see that I have my default contacts, and I also have an address book here called Salesforce. So this is the address book in which I'm going to see all of the Salesforce contacts that have been synchronized to my account based on the options that the Riva administrator has implemented. If I want to manage one of these contacts, let's go ahead and select, let's select Andy Young here. I see the full information that has been synchronized from Salesforce to Exchange, and I'm viewing it in my Windows Outlook client. So let's go ahead and make a quick change here to Andy's address book. We're going to change his numbers to a bunch of 3s here for business and a bunch of 4s for the business fax. So let's go ahead and save that. That information will now be synchronized to Salesforce without me having to do anything in the client interface. And that's what it's about. It's about transparent server-to-server integration between Salesforce and Exchange. We're going to create a new contact called Bill Edwardson. The company he's going to be a member of is, let's make him a member of, let's say Salesforce. And its file as, we're going to assign a category of Salesforce. By assigning this category, we are telling Riva to synchronize this new contact to Salesforce. And let's give him a phone number and a business fax. And I think that'll be good enough for now. So now that we've taken and created this Bill Edwardson, one thing we forgot to do for Bill, we forgot to give him an email address. Let's give him an email address. bill.edwardson@sforce.com. All right, let's go ahead and save this. And we're done. During the next sync cycle, this new contact, Bill Edwardson, is going to be synchronized up to Salesforce. Let's go take a look. So here we are in Salesforce. Let's go ahead and take a quick look for, what was his name? Oh, yes, Edwardson. Let's take a look for Edwardson and see what we can find. And here we go. We have our Bill Edwardson. He's been assigned S-Force account. We see his phone number. We see his email address. We see his fax number. So we see that everything has been properly created and updated in Salesforce. And let's not forget to do a quick check to see if Andy's account was updated with that phone number change that we made to the business number and to the fax number. Let's go ahead and take a quick look here. We see that his phone number was changed to a bunch of 3s and his fax number was changed to a bunch of 4s. So that's it. Transparent server-side integration between Salesforce and Exchange, requiring categories to be set in order for the synchronization to occur. There's another video that talks about how to automatically sync new contacts without requiring categories, and that would be primarily of interest to people using mobile devices and or other Exchange clients that don't support categories. Well, that's it for today's session. Thank you.